The premier academic event capturing the attention of the global dental community, Osstem Meeting 2026 Seoul. Taking place on June 20th and 21st at Osstem Implant headquarters, this two-day event will feature a diverse range of academic programs spanning every field of dentistry. On June 21st, the Osstem Meeting 2026 Seoul Symposium officially begins. Under the main theme, Digital Strategies for Successful Posterior Implant Treatment, distinguished moderators and experts will deliver in-depth lectures. The morning session begins with Dr. Yong Jin's presentation, Surgical Considerations for Lower Posterior Implant Placement, followed by Professor Lee Won-pyo's lecture, From Atrophy to Precision. Moving into the afternoon, Professor Kyung will present Biology-Driven Posterior Implant Prosthetics. And Dr. Yong Jin will deliver a lecture, Daily Essentials for Long-Term Success of Posterior Implants. Live surgery, the highlight of Osstem Meeting, will take place twice throughout the day. First, Professor Park Chang-ju will perform a live surgery exploring Beyond the Duo, OneCAS and OneCAS 2. Later in the day, Dr. Sun Young-wee will present a live surgery focused on overcoming atrophic mandibular posterior ridge using 1485 kit, bringing Osstem Meeting 2026 Seoul to a powerful close. Dr. Park Hui-wong, Dr. Kim Se-wong, and Dr. Chang Dong-wook will come together for a special discussion session under the theme Successful Implant Strategies in the Posterior Region, Digital versus Analog. All lectures will be broadcast live via Osstem TV and YouTube, with simultaneous interpretation in English and Chinese. Join us as we set a new standard for clinical dentistry. We look forward to welcoming you to Osstem Meeting 2026, Seoul.